and welcome to Let's Learn English with Anna. I am Dr. Jill. But who are you? Today we answer that question. Who are you? So let's go to Anna's treehouse. She helps us answer the question, who are you?
Hi, welcome to my treehouse. I am Anna.
And I am Max.
That is Max. Max is an e-mailbox.
Anna, I have our question for today.
Thanks, Max. Who are you? Who are you? I am Anna. I am Anna.
I am Max.
Anna.
I am Max.
Max, I'm not done yet.
Oh, sorry.
Max, I'm done now.
And I am Max.
Nice song. Their names. You listen. Are you ready? Here they are. Find the names with the letter A.
I am Zanitsu. I am Anna Abhiri.
Hi, I am Alexa.
That's right. Alexa and Anna have the letter A. Good job. Now let's go back to Anna's treehouse. She talks about other words with the letter A. Let's go.
Who are you? Who are you? I am Anna. Anna starts with an A. But the letter A has many sounds. A, ape. A, apple. Anna. Anna ate an apple. Who are you? Who are you?
I am Max. You are Anna.
Who are you? Who am I? I need to walk. Who am I? Who? Who are you? You are an owl. One owl. Two owls. Three owls. I love owls. Three owls. I love owls. And I love to walk.
Anna, it's time to go.
Thanks, Max. Come back again, though. Goodbye.
Now you try it. Ask your family and friends. Who are you? How do they answer?
I am Zanitsu. I am Anna Abhiri.
Hi, I am Alexa.
See you next time on Let's Learn English with Anna.
I am Anna.